demon!
No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons, so...
Thank you. Now, go get the rest, bud.
I thought this was supposed to be a stealth.
This is Burke, your new home away from home. A stunning, one-stop, all-expense... The real hero of the day was Toothless. Isn't that right, bud? What would we do without you, old king of dragons? What would we do?
Ah! What good is having the king of dragons around if he can't keep the order?
Hey, bud, you wanna... We'll make room.
Ah! They're a bad omen. We're cursed.
Oh, how dare you! That is a low blow. No, you are not getting away. Ah, okay, you win. You always win.
You knew what you were getting into.
Uh-huh. What's gotten into you? What is all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say? Am I not enough?
Just sad and weird.
Yeah, you better do something.
Seriously? I'd rather shovel poop all day than watch that.
All right, let's head back to the woods and see if we can find her.
Hey! What am I wasting my time here? You see some shiny thing in the woods? Ooh, what is that?
Someone's here.
Huh?
He managed to slip past our scouts and lay a trap in the wood.
Let me at him!
Slow down, Gobbert. Let's get a search team on the ground, scouts in the air. Toothless and I will fly the coastline.
Yeah.
Well, he doesn't know who he's playing with.
Yeah, well, we've dealt with this kind before. Then we'll be waiting for him.
Let me finish my drink. I've hunted every last one but yours.
Come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon? And we have defended our way of life from far worse. This is a new kind of enemy, and I underestimated him. Now that's on me. But I will not do that again. Home of all dragons, tucked away somewhere beyond the edge of the world. It may be the solution we need. Well, look who it is. Oh, hey, it's really nice to finally...
There's nothing more stubborn than a mob of tired, hungry Vikings.
Well, I guess this can work as a base in the meantime. All right, you could stay.
Can we lose the whole honking goose thing? It's hard to imagine wedded bliss with that going off every minute.
If you're going to continue west, you know I tried to do the same for years. But...
What?
No, nothing. I'm impressed. I mean, look at you. Embracing change. I am proud of you.
Well, he's my best bud. I want him to be happy. Besides, it's just until he brings her back. All right. Okay, Toothless. Okay, yes, I know. Shh. Okay, I know. Please, this is not helping.
Well. Someone's excited.
He's fresh off his first date. Now he's love crazed. By sundown at the latest. No, save it for your girlfriend. Go on, get out of here. How would I know? She never comes around. And when she does, she's always rushing off. I'm saying, how do we know if she's right for us?
Us?
You know what I mean. She's so wild and skittish. I'm just gonna say it. I don't trust her.
Ha! Can't tame him.
If Grimmel is leading them here, we have to take him out of the mix. How do you stay away for good? I...
Wow. Now that's a king.
We should go.
Oh no.
It's okay, bud. You belong there. With her. We don't. And that's all right. Wait. Grim will let you go.
So that's more annoying, but...
Wait, hold on.
Rough Nut, focus. Were you followed? Don't say it.
I wasn't going to.
Thanks.
Dragon? That's your plan?
This is. Save him. Hey, good morning, bud. There you go. Boy, you're full of surprises. You're right, bud. It's time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed. You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. That's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet. Go, Toothless. Go.
For the Chief and Chiefess! Yeah!